often ask me, what's your favorite recipe you've created? There are many I love, but there's one that will always be the clear winner, my Marry Me chicken recipe. It's the chicken dinner that I know will make jaws drop every time. In it, chicken breasts are seared until golden brown before being baked in a simple but extremely satisfying cream sauce that results in a chicken that's packed with flavor in every bite. If you're thinking the recipe name sounds familiar, that's because Delish developed the original Marry Me chicken that's gone viral on TikTok. The recipe has become such an internet staple that the New York Times covered the phenomenon, and their version became their most popular recipe of 2023, 7 years after I created the OG. Whether you're looking for a recipe to make for a special someone or an extra special weeknight dinner, this should be on your list. Be prepared. This chicken just might inspire a confession of love at first bite. What people are saying, Delish. Made this for my man, followed easy instructions, and turned out great. Unfortunately, the end result of marrying me didn't happen, but at least the meal was good. Purple fish. I will be cooking this for the second time tonight, one of the best chicken dishes I have ever eaten. The sauce is awesome. Gatorman, how Marry Me chicken got its name. Many of you have probably heard of Ina Garten's engagement roast chicken before, but this, if I may say so, is so much tastier. When I created this dish in 2016, I was trying to develop recipes that would fire people up to get in the kitchen. I had produced one of Delish's first truly viral recipes, Tuscan chicken pasta. My baby, if we're being honest, and was hungry for a skillet version that had similar ingredients, but was even saucier. With that in mind, I developed a Sicilian chicken skillet, but wasn't sold on the name until a stroke of genius hit on video shoot day. After we spooned the sauce over the chicken for the last shot, our videographer, Chelsea, grabbed a fork to try the final result. Once she took a bite, she blurted out, "I'd marry you for that chicken," and the now famous name was born. This is a chicken dinner so good, you just might get a proposal by the last bite. The ingredients: 3D extra virgin olive oil divided, 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, 2 garlic cloves finely chopped, 1 fresh thyme leaves, 1 teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes, 3/4 cup low-sodium chicken broth, a 1/2 cup finely chopped sun-dried tomatoes, 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup finely grated Parmesan, torn fresh basil for serving. Step-by-step instructions. There's a reason I call for searing the chicken before letting it finish in the oven. You get a beautiful golden brown crust, and it helps keep the chicken super moist and flavorful. Plus, the base of the sauce is any chicken fat that has rendered out during this initial sear. It may seem like an unnecessary extra step, but trust me, it makes a huge difference. On to the sauce. Using whatever schmaltz is left in the pan, a combination of garlic, fresh thyme, and a touch of red pepper flakes for just a hint of heat. Get a quick toast. This brings out the aromatics, fragrance, and color. Stir in the heavy cream, broth, sun-dried tomatoes, and Parmesan. Then let the sauce reduce a bit to meld and thicken. It's as easy as that. Finally, return the seared chicken to the skillet and let it roast in the oven until the chicken cooks totally through. Once the chicken is cooked through, transfer it to a plate and spoon plenty of the sauce on top, along with fresh basil. These decadent potatoes are yet another way to soak up all that sauce in carb form. Parmesan roasted green beans. A perfect solution to use up any extra Parmesan, plus a bright green side will complete the meal. Cacio e pepe Brussels sprouts. This also includes a mix of pecorino and Parmesan, and who can say no to more cheese? Garlic and feta mashed potatoes. For an extra indulgent dish, spoon the chicken and sauce on top of the potatoes. Garlic bread. Keep the sides simple by toasting some garlic bread and serving it alongside. Storage. Have leftovers? Lucky you. Store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days, then reheat when ready to enjoy. Tip: if your sauce is too thick upon reheating, add a splash of water to thin it out.
We trust you enjoyed the meal. Please let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Thanks for watching.